Yeah, I've had a lot of questions about that subject. He came to me after, and he was really sad that it went that way. I didn't think about it in that moment. I didn't consider it as a sexual harassment or anything. I was just happy to get a dance and celebrate winning the Balón de Oro, to be honest. I mean, I think this is a fantastic day for women's football in general. It's historical. It's a big step forward for women's football to have this award, and that's why you need to take the moment to really cherish it and show the importance of pushing younger girls to pursue their dreams, to believe in themselves, and that's been important for me when I was a little kid. So I just hope that every youngster gets inspired by moments like this, and yeah, they're the future.